before we will see the some question based on the complex exponential Fourier series. Now let's move on to the another periodic signal based on the complex exponential Fourier series, that will be the, so here what they will be asked, find the exponential Fourier series for the given signal. This will be the given signal. What you have to do? We have to do the exponential Fourier series, and next we have to do the and plot the magnitude as well as the phase spectrum for this plot. Okay, this was our target. Okay, here you can see first step. What you have to do? We have to find out the time period t. So time period t, time period t that be equal to 1, right? So what will be the angular frequency omega naught? Angular frequency omega naught, angular frequency omega naught that be equal to 2 pi divided by capital T. That was our formula. So what will be the T? T be the 1, right? Here time period T be the 1. Substitute here. So omega naught that will become the 2 pi. So how much you will get? We will get the omega naught that will be equal to 2 pi. So next, what you have to do? We have to find out the x of k. So here first exponential Fourier series formula, x of t that be equal to x of t that be equal to summation of k is equal to minus infinite to infinite x of k into e power jk omega naught t. This was our formula. Okay. What will be the formula for the x of k? The formula for the x of k that be equal to, the formula for the x of k that be equal to 1 divided by time period integral over the time period t x of t into e power minus jk omega naught t, okay, into dt. Okay. Next, so substitute the time period t that will be equal to, so x of k that be equal to 1 divided by 1 integration, so time period from 0 to 1, right? From time period 0 to 1. So what will be the input signal x of t? So here input signal x of t, this plot be the sin pi t, right? Sin pi t. Okay, in place of x of t, substitute this sin pi t. So what will happen? So this will become the sin pi t into e power minus jk omega naught t into dt. Okay. Okay, this will become the integration of 0 to 1 e power minus jk omega naught t. So what will be the value for the omega naught? Directly substitute that value, that be the 2 pi, right? Omega naught be the 2 pi into sin pi t into dt. So you already know formula for the exponential as well as the trigonometric. They will be given. From the calculus point of view, we have the direct formula, that be the integration of e power ax into sin of bx plus c, that will be equal to e power ax divided by a square plus b square into a into sin of bx plus c minus cos of bx plus c. So this was the formula. Next, you have to be substitute with values. With values, a is equal to minus jk 2 pi. Okay. B is equal to how much? B is equal to pi. B is equal to pi, as well as the c is equal to 0, as well as the a, b, c, x, right? X be the x is equal to time period t. Okay, substituting this formula, what we will get, that will be the So here this be the e power a be the minus jk 2 pi into t divided by minus jk into 2 pi whole square plus b square. B be the pi square. Pi square. Here a be the minus jk into 2 pi sin bx. B be the pi, x be the t, pi t plus 0 minus b, right? Minus b into cos bx plus c. B be the pi, right? Minus pi into cos of b be the pi t. So substitute for the values 0 to 1. Now what we have to do? We have to be substitute the upper limit minus lower limit. We have to get the value that be the. So here, so this be equal to e power minus jk 2 pi divided by minus jk 2 pi whole square plus pi square. So minus jk 2 pi into sin pi into 1 minus pi into cos of pi into 1 minus e power minus 0, that will be the 1. So e power minus 0, that by minus jk 2 pi whole square plus pi square. So here this be the minus jk 2 pi sin pi into 0 minus pi into cos pi of 0. Okay, so this be equal to e power minus jk 2 pi divided by minus jk 2 pi whole square plus pi square. So this be the cos pi, sorry, sin pi. Sin pi be the 0, right? Sin pi be the 0 minus cos pi. So minus pi into, so cos pi be the plus 1. Cos pi be the plus 1. Next, minus cos pi into 1. Okay. Next, minus e power 0 be the 1 divided by minus jk into 2 pi whole square plus pi square into minus this be the sin 0, that be the 0 minus pi into 1. Okay, now what you have to do? So this be the e power minus jk into 2 pi divided by minus jk into 2 pi whole square plus pi square. So this be the minus pi minus into minus, that will become the plus pi divided by minus jk 2 pi whole square plus pi square. Okay, this will become the minus pi into e power minus jk into 2 pi minus pi into cos pi. Cos pi be the minus 1, right? We are doing the mistake. Here the cos pi be the minus 1, right? Cos 2 pi be the plus 1. Cos pi be the minus 1. So this will become the minus into minus. So minus into minus, this will become the plus. So pi plus pi divided by minus jk into 2 pi whole square plus pi square whole square. Okay, so here if you want to just take the pi common, what will happen? So this will become the 1 plus e power minus jk 2 pi divided by minus jk 2 pi whole square plus pi square. Okay, so what you have to do means, for e power minus jk 2 pi, you just have to substitute the Euler's formula. How much you will get? So you by Euler's method or Euler's formula, what will be the formula? E power j theta, that will be equal to cos theta plus j into sin theta. So next, for this, what you have to find? E power minus jk 2 pi, that will be equal to cos 2 pi k minus j into sin 2 pi k. So cos 2 pi, cos pi be the minus 1, cos 2 pi be the plus 1, minus sin 2 pi, that will be the 0. So that will be equal to 1. So hence e power minus jk 2 pi, that will be equal to 1. So this be equal to pi into 1 plus 1. Okay, 1 plus 1 divided by minus jk 2 pi whole square plus pi square. Okay, this will become the 2 pi divided by minus jk 2 pi whole square plus pi square whole square, right? Whole square. Okay, now how you can write this minus jk whole square, that will be equal to minus j whole square into k square. So this will become the minus k square. So substitute minus jk plus, you have to replace it with minus k. So this will be equal to 2 pi divided by minus k square into 2 pi whole square plus pi square whole square. Okay, so this be equal to 2 pi divided by 4 pi square minus k square plus pi square. Okay, this was your answer. Now what you have to do? So how much you will get? X of k, that will be equal to 2 pi divided by 4 pi square minus k square plus pi square whole square. So if you want to apply the modulus, okay, how much you will get? So if you want to apply the modulus, you have to be make it the square root 2 pi, that will be the 4 pi square divided by 4 pi square minus k square plus pi square whole square. Okay, so this will become the 2 pi square. So here 4 pi whole square divided by, so here this be the 4 pi square minus k square plus pi square whole square. So square root get cancelled. So here how you can write, this be the 2 pi whole square divided by root of 4 pi square minus k square plus pi square. So here square root will get cancelled. So this will become the 2 pi divided by square root of 4 pi square minus k square plus pi square. Okay, this was your modulus of x. If you want to take the square common, how much you will get? You will get the 4 pi divided by 4 pi minus k plus pi whole square. Okay, square root will get cancelled. So how much you will get? You will get 2 pi divided by 4 pi minus k plus pi. So this was your magnitude modulus of x of k. Okay, how you can draw the magnitude spectrum for this? So modulus of x of k, how much you will get? That will become the 2 pi divided by 4 pi minus k plus pi. So substitute the k is equal to 0, 2 pi divided by 4 pi plus pi. So this will become the 2 pi divided by 5 pi. Okay, pi will get cancelled. This will become the 2 divided by 5. Okay, so this be the modulus of x of k. If you want to substitute the 0, how much you will get? You will get it's around 2.5. Okay, the plot be like this. Okay, if you want to find out the angle, how you can find out the angle? Angle x of k, that be equal to tan inverse of imaginary part by real part. Here you can see in this magnitude we can't get any imaginary part, right? Hence that will be the 0. You can't get any plot for phase angle. No plot. Okay, you have the magnitude plot but you don't have the phase plot. In this way we can do the exponential Fourier series question. We have to find out the magnitude as well as the phase. In the next questions we will try to see some more hard questions based on this exponential Fourier series. Then we will move to the another important question. Okay, that will be how to find out the negative frequencies based on this complex exponential series. The concept is very important for your university examination point of view. Okay, there I have to tell you the 2 to 3 questions. That 2 to 3 questions, one question or 2 questions, they will be shortly they will be asked that concept. Okay, if you really like this video, please like my video, share my video as well as subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.